Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Sprinter roof tracks from Vantech. Let's get into it. All right, we have here some roof tracks for the Mercedes Sprinter. These are from Vantech. The thing you'll notice about Vantech products is just how well they package everything. Got some nice dunnage to keep things from sliding around in the box. And looks like we have a box within a box. Let's just double check. Just some more shredded cardboard for keeping this box from shifting around in our larger box. You can see this is part number R30. This is happens to be for the Sprinter 170 extended wheelbase, but they do make this for the 144 as well as the 170 standard or regular wheelbase as well. And the reason that you would buy these is because sometimes you can get your Sprinter with tracks from the factory, but a lot of times it doesn't come with roof tracks. And so if you want to mount anything to the roof, ladder rack, cargo carrier, you need these tracks installed first. And so this is a nice upgrade from Vantech. Now these are aluminum. And one thing I just want to point out here is just this sub package within a box, within a shipping container. And so the thing about Vantech products is they have a really low damage rate because of how well they package everything. And so that's one thing Vantech does really well, especially compared to their competitors. So I'm just gonna be on getting this shrink wrap out. We got a couple of shorter tracks. Oh, we do have our hardware bag right here. I accidentally cut it. Trying to keep this all together. All right, let's go ahead and take these out of the plastic sheets. So each track is individually wrapped in plastic to keep scratches and all of that down. This is aluminum, but it's got this nice silver finish to it. Like it's not a raw aluminum. Almost looks like it's stainless steel the way this finish turned out. Really nice. The other thing you can see, we already have our foam gasket applied underneath. They recently redesigned these tracks, and used to be you had to put the foam on yourself. So nice improvement there from Vantech. All right, so just putting this all together, it looks like there are 3 different lengths. We're gonna have A, D, and H, or actually it looks like it's labeled on both sides. So A, B, C, D, G, and H. And so we have 2 long, 2 mid, and 2 short. And so the way that this is gonna work is in your hardware kit. It's like we have some little joiners right here that are going to slide into some channels underneath here. I guess you can just clip it in on the bottom there. It's gonna clip in on the bottom on this side, and it's gonna join your track together. Now the reason that they can't just do one long track is not because they can't do it, it's because they wouldn't be able to ship it to you for a reasonable price. You wouldn't be able to ship it FedEx if you did the full one-piece track. So yeah, we do have these little joiner plates right here. We're gonna join our sections together. We have some plastic end caps like this. Let's see, I believe these just slide in on the ends. It does look like it's still open a little bit, so you can slide your accessories in there after you have the end cap on. So that's a cool feature built into the plastic end cap. If we do have some foam gasket or washers. All this hardware is actually stainless, which is nice because it's gonna be exposed to the elements. You don't want any rust running down your nice fan. You do have Vantech stickers in here as well. Other than that, it just looks like some Allen head bolts, lock washers, a couple of nuts in here as well. Now, if you look at the design of these tracks, there's kind of a neat little extrusion right here. There's kind of a channel on the bottom and then a channel on the top where your accessories are actually going to slide into. And there's a hole right here for slipping your hardware through, and it's pre-threaded in the channel below there. And that way, you're not gonna have any interference with any of your hardware for attaching this to the van. Now this is going to be a required accessory if you want to buy one of those Vantech ladder racks, whether it's an H2.1, an H2, or any other ladder rack. Really, you're going to need roof tracks to attach it to a Sprinter. So if your van does not have factory roof tracks, this is a great option for you. Again, they make it for the 170-inch extended, the 170, and the 144. Vantech also has some universal tracks that you can use for various other applications as well that you can buy in different lengths. It's going to be pretty much the same design. It's just going to be kind of a universal length. Now, if you're looking for these roof tracks or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.